Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your CommBank debit card step by step clearly. First, make sure you have your new CommBank debit card in your hand. Check the card for your name and confirm it matches your CommBank account details. Locate the 16-digit card number and the expiry date on the front of the card. Find the CVV security code on the back of the card and keep it private. Prepare your mobile phone and ensure you have an internet connection. Download the CommBank app from the App Store or Google Play if you do not have it yet. Open the CommBank app and sign in using your client number and NetBank password. If you have not set up NetBank, tap the option to register and follow the on-screen instructions. After signing in, go to the main menu and select Cards. Choose the debit card you want to activate from the list of cards. Tap Activate Card and read any prompts shown on the screen. Verify your identity if asked, using a one-time code, password, or biometric login. Create or confirm your card PIN if the app asks you to set one. Write your PIN down only in a secure place and never share it with anyone. If you cannot activate in the app, open a browser and go to NetBank on the CommBank website. Log in to NetBank and navigate to the card section. Select your new debit card and choose the option to activate. Follow the prompts to confirm activation and any security checks. If you prefer ATM activation, go to a CommBank ATM with your debit card. Insert your card into the ATM and enter your PIN when prompted. Choose a balance inquiry or make a small withdrawal to trigger activation. Wait for the transaction to complete and then safely remove your card. To confirm activation, try a small tap-and-go purchase at a store. If Tap and Go does not work immediately, make one chip-in PIN purchase first. Check the CommBank app again to see the card status as active. Turn on card security features like lock card, spending limits, or international transactions if needed. Update any digital wallets like Apple Pay or Google Pay after the card is activated. If activation fails or your card is blocked, contact CommBank through the app or by phone for help. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.